Hi everyone, in this video, we will make use of the one-word mnemonics to memorize the order of operations in mathematics. The mnemonics produce memory bridges which assist in memorizing the information quickly. What is the order of operation? If we search for the definition on Wikipedia, you will find the following definition: it is a collection of rules that reflects conventions about which procedures to perform to evaluate a given mathematical expression. Let us try to make this more understandable. 1. The order of operation represents a set of rules we need to follow. 2. If we do not, we won't find the same answer for a given equation. Let us look at one example where you could find completely different answers if you do not follow the order of operation. 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5 equals. If we do not follow set rules and we start with 2 plus 3, we get the answer 5. If we multiply 5 with 5, our final answer will be 25. Let us now take the same equation, but we follow the rules. We will start with the multiplication of 3 and 5 first, which will give us 15. Now we add the 15 to the 2 and our final answer is 17. Without rules, our answer was 25, but with rules our answer was 17. I hope you get the idea of why the order of operation is so important. We looked at the same equation, but we got two different answers. 3. In the order of operation, you always work from left to right. 4. The order of operation has 4 steps: 1 parenthesis, 2 exponents, 3 multiplication and division, 4 addition and subtraction. 5. We will now use the one-word mnemonics, our memory bridge, to remember the 4 steps in the order of operation. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. You only have to remember this sentence to remember the 4 steps in the order of operation. The P in please represents parenthesis, the E in excuse represents exponents, the M in my represents multiplication, the D in dear represents division, the A in aunt represents addition, the S in Sally represents subtraction. Let us look at it step by step. Step 1, parenthesis or brackets. When you see brackets, jump right in. It is where you always begin, even if it is at the end of the equation. You have to do the parenthesis first. Be careful with the stuff inside the parentheses. Sometimes you have to break it down further, according to the order of operation as well. Sometimes you can have parentheses within parentheses. In that case, work from the inside out. Step 2. Now, look for any exponents. They have to be done next. Step 3. Now start from left to right and look for multiplication and division. It does not matter if you do division or multiplication first, as long as you do them after parentheses and exponents, but before addition and subtraction. Step 4. The last step allows you to do addition and subtraction. Work from left to right, and complete your mathematical expression. You are now ready to provide the correct answer. I want to end this example with a tip: work in blocks. Do not try and do the entire equation all at once. Break it down into the 4 steps and do each step separately. Your brain will find it much easier to get to the correct answer. We can also use a picture mnemonic if you do not want to use the one-word mnemonic. Draw a picture, starting with the parentheses which will form the outline of the face. The next step is exponents. Draw a small 2 or 3, representing the exponents on each side of the face. I used orange because exponents were orange in our one-word mnemonic. The next step is multiplication and division. We can now draw the eyes with the multiplication, and on top of the multiplication, we can add the division sign. I use blue because we used blue for multiplication and division in the previous mnemonic. The last step is addition and subtraction. I will now form a mouth with the division sign, bend it slightly, and add an addition sign on each side of the mouth. At least Mr. Order is smiling. End it off with some hair, and there you have drawn a cute face representing the orders of operation. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am using relatively easy work to explain the application of the scientific learning systems because I want you to fully understand how effective these techniques are if you start using them. Try and apply a technique to some of your work and let me know how it went. Happy studies. Annie.